as they move up, they go farther and farther away from the blood supply, which is here, and they become dead. That is why this top layer of epidermis, which is called stratum corneum, that is made out of the dead cells. But this whole thing is epidermis. Now, this slide belongs to stomach. Many students were looking at how the simple columnar epithelium looks like. This is the slide of the stomach. All you see here is the tall cells, single layer, separated by their membrane. You can see those membranes. But you see the tall cells. And they are so tall that at the end they look like the fan those Japanese girls have in their hand. They spread those things. That kind of shape. And this is the simple columnar epithelium in the stomach. Then you are seeing at this slide, looking at this slide, this is simple cuboidal epithelium, and these cells make the kidney tubules or the tubes inside the kidney. And they are called simple cuboidal because see, each cell, it looks like a cube of ice. And here is where the urine passes through. So these are the kidney tubules, simple cuboidal epithelium, this one. Now the slide here is the pseudo stratified ciliated columnar epithelium. Pseudo means false. If you look at these cells, they are pseudo stratified. Stratified means many layers. These cells are arranged in one layer, but they look like several layers or more than one layer. That is why they are called pseudo stratified, falsely layered. They are actually in one layer. Pseudo stratified, and then you see these hair-like structures. They are called cilia. Pseudo stratified, ciliated. Columnar means tall shape. Columnar epithelium means lining. So these cells, the tissue type, make pseudo-stratified, ciliated, columnar epithelium. And they have these cells in between. These are called goblet cells. And they secrete mucus. Where they are found? In your windpipe, trachea. This mucus that comes out of these goblet cells, it traps the dust particle. And then that mucus with dust particle is elevated by this cilia. It comes up. And when it comes to your throat, then you go